Look away.
Sorry, what side do you want? Okay.
Choose to fire. Sack. Yep, get ready, sack. Tiny metal number 1 now. Look away.
1. Safe now.
Got another Magus back here. You. Choose again.
Hooray me.
Heads here. Look away.
1. Safe now.
Volley up.
Watch your feet.
Got a Magus back here casting on someone. Make sure healers, make sure you're LOSing. More than likely you're gonna have aggro. Drop block. Alright, phase 2, holy pot if you have one.
Phase 2.
Bane death, vanish, bubble. Drop a barrier. Let us go Ulix rally if you have it up. Now. Yep, thank you. Yeah, 12%. Alright, he's phasing. Just keep people up best you can.
Get the IEA up. Oh no.
Five, 4, 3,
Switching poisons.
2, 1.
We do.
I got
we're
IEA
gonna
on.
get up.
You can leave Bozo down.
I'm gonna get Darnassus.
That was gonna be my call. Was someone to get Darnassus, and let's get Abby to get Saya up as well.
How does
We're
Abby get
outside.
Saya?
Saya, yes please.
Okay.
Phase 3.
Alright, we're still on stack number 2, which will be spicy when it comes out. Here comes ads.
Execution sentence.
Yep, spicy stack him. I was late, my bad.
1. Safe now.
I'm sure you did it, so thank you. Or Darnassus, you wanna get a kitty sniper? Look away.
1. Safe now.
Here for those of you who died. Execution sentence, tiny metals, sack here in 2, 1, do it now. Look away.
1. Safe now.
Safe. Kara, get up flatline. Look away.
1. Safe now.
ads coming in and he phases in 5. Focus ads. Focus ads. Try to kill him out of the center. He's phasing in 1%. Turning, switch to ads.
Watch your feet.
Oh, that was scary.
Phase 4.
Don't have any more B-reses. Probably not. I hope so. I need that shit.
Infusion will not drop, inshallah, to Leogan.
If it does, Bosco's getting kicked from the guild. That's true. Stack now. Sorry, number 2. Good job.
Come.
There's only